The companion documents are similar to the documents created by the Teaching and Learning Department. On the left side is the graphic showing each segment of learning and the suggested time for instruction. On the right-hand side, there are headings that correspond to each segment with bulleted guidance on how to specialize instruction during that segment. The headings are hyperlinked for access to a few example resources that may be used to support students during each segment. For example, if you go to phonics, the shared file will open up with resources for the phonics segment in K2. Simply click on the resource and it will open the document for you ready to be used. For questions using this document, please reach out to your program support specialist for your school.